Hello everyone, we are in Masvingo province at the ZCC Easter Conference 2023. So today is Friday, the 7th of April, and we came here on Sunday. The conference started on Wednesday, so we're cruising nicely. We are running a very big setup. Our PA is running with 10 T24s, flying 4 per side, and on the outfields we have 2 per side. That is on the left, and on the right we have a similar setup. Stage monitoring, we are managing with a lot of monitors just to cover the key areas of sitting. So we have monitors for the VIPs, VVIPs, center fields, outfields, area Yawanoti Dariro, where a lot of other special activities happen. We're doing with the brass band. We are also dealing with choirs, a lot of cordless mics running. It's coming out really nice. Doing live stream also for the audio and video. So on the long throw we have Vera 36, 18. We're running 18 Vera 36 on the delays being flown, 6 per hang to cover your left, center, right dispersion, because the back is also wide. So yeah, it's been an amazing experience.
Tinoda kukumbira chose timbosimuka titarisane zviso tichireuchidzana.
Varanda vamambo vaimubatira vakati haana chaakaitirwa.
April, 5 p.m. ZCC MBUNGO. We are done. Kabeza passport.